AKASO V50 Elite Action Camera features 20 megapixel photo and 4K video at 60 frames per second. It records super smooth video with advanced electronic image stabilization. You can control the camera hands-free through voice commands like Action Photo. Need a 131-foot waterproof camera? The V50 Elite is for you.
Titan is an extraordinary underwater drone that will allow you to freely explore the ocean, flying through the water to record every epic moment. The ultra-portable, user-friendly drone has 150 meters of maximum working depth, so even if you're not a professional underwater documentary photographer, Titan can satisfy your deep-sea desires. A 3000 lumen LED ensures that you will capture epic underwater moments, even in dark environments. For the photography enthusiast, you can use Titan's powerful 4K UHD camera with the 160-degree ultra-wide-angle lens to see underwater creatures like never before in rich detail and color. The ingenious 6-thruster power system designed by the Titan team enables the drone to fly through the ocean at up to 2 meters per second, hover underwater, and perform extraordinary feats of stability with 360-degree movement. You can pilot Titan from the included controller or with your phone or tablet using our app. A built-in rechargeable battery pack allows up to 4 hours operating time, so you will have plenty of time to enjoy the underwater world. While you pilot the drone, you can connect to VR goggles that will give you an immersive underwater experience. If you want your friends to see your adventure stories, select 1080p real-time streaming in the Titan app and share epic moments to social media platforms like Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram with just one click. No matter if you're underwater filming, diving, boating, or fishing, Titan is your best choice.